All right, so next one we have week 4. So the velvet is on the deer's horns.
What I Tamsha I Kikana Tensha Ti
See, okay, I'm gonna try. That's a mouthful again.
Yes.
What? Whom e smasa ulti.
The V is a
Okay. Tamsa.
Tamsha.
Tamsha. Okay.
Tamsha.
Tamsha ulti kentina timsa ti ti That
That
is,
was a
yeah.
tongue wanted to turn.
Oh, we'll learn it. I'll learn it over the next week. Okay, and then I'll go to number 2. The dress is made of velvet.
Tumsh ti ku lawish.
Okay. Tumsh ti ku lawish. Lawish. Okay, thank you. The cloth feels like velvet.
Tumsh chach insa ti shila. Tum chach insha ti shila.
Okay. Did you say tumsh sa tensa ti shila?
Chash tensha.
Shash tensa.
Chash ten. Yeah.
Tensa. Perfect. Thank you. And then I will unravel the rope.
Bush can tulin ti hui lima.
Okay. Push can tulen ti hui lema.
Hui.
Hui. Hui lema. Okay. All right, moving on. Unravel the fishing line before you go.
Tulin kach ti I wishtana kala.
Okay. Tulen kau ti I win dena kila.
Wishtana kala.
Westena kila. Okay. Thank you. Will you unravel the string?
Bush kach ha tulin ti well we lima.
Okay. Push kauha tulen ti hui lema.
Yep.
Okay, thank you. And then plant the squash.
Lependi shakloya.
Okay. Lepen ti shukho loya.
Oh, it's sukloya. I just saw this the line under the S that makes it a sound.
Okay. So suk
Sukloya.
loya. Okay. Thank you. And then bake the squash in the oven.
Colin T. Sukloya L T Pamstina.
Okay. Quellen ti sukloya ulti pamstena. Pamstena. Okay, thank you. Squash tastes good.
Amachat Ach Tensha T Shakloya.
Okay. Ama shatskwenstena ti shukoya.
Ach Tensha. Ach Tensha.
Okay. Stack tenswa.
The second word, it's
Okay.
a sh and then sh. Ach Tensha.
Stack shak pensa. Perfect. Thank you. That was
That was a little hard.
That one's hard. I'm gonna, yeah, it's good you can hear and correct that because we're gonna learn from that. All right, so now I'll let you speak and I'll just say the English ones.
What what shum I the chik ti iha what shum I tamsha ti chik tensha ti iha what shum I tamsha ti chik tensha ti iha.
Perfect. And cow, right? Working for that.
Yeah, my tongue is getting a good workout today.
Right? Gonna have a 6-pack on our tongue.
Lumps all over it.
Then we can speak the language.
What we Tamshtiku lawush. Tamshtiku lawush.
Cooked cow. The dress is made of velvet.
Tamsha shtena sha tisila. Shila. Tamsh shtena sha tisila. Tamsh shtena tensha tisila. I keep missing that S.
Perfect. Floss feels like velvet.
Who's can talenti hui lema? Who's can talenti hui lema? Who's can talenti hui lema?
Perfect. I will unravel the rope.
Talentkach ti I washtana kala. Talentkach ti I washtana kala. Talentkach ti I washtana kala.
Unravel the fishing line before you go.
I'm not going to tell anybody to unravel.
Right.
We lema who's ka ha talenti we lema who's ka ha talenti lema we lema. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Will you unravel the string? Maybe we might ask that.
Lepenti sakloya. Lepenti sakloya. Lepenti sakloya.
Okay. Plant the squash. Perfect.
Qualenti sakloya ti pamstina. Qualenti sakloya ti pamstina. Qualenti sakloya ti pamstina. Yeah.
Cook some cow. Bake the squash in the oven.
Okay. Amashchak. Tinsha ti sakloya. Amashchak. Oh no one. Chak. Tinsha ti sakloya. Amashchak. Tinsha ti sakloya. There. I got them all in that time.
Then cook some cow. The squash tastes good. Perfect. Cook some
Done.
Geneva Quipp. We did it.
Yeah.
And we also want to thank the First Peoples Cultural Council, the Ukamuk All Nation Service Society, as well as the Shamokum Chieftain Council, and Shuitao, videographer and editor.